It's a fairly user-friendly system. It's a modern cloud-based system, so it can be easier to use and learn for organizations and their employees. It also provides a highly secure way to share data among systems, and not only share data, but also report and visualize on that data. And then finally, on the functional side, there's also trainings and learning tools that are baked into the product itself that can make user adoption a bit easier than other systems out there. Now, on the technical side, there are a number of other strengths. You have, first of all, a secure way to tie together and integrate data. So on the technical integration side, it's a pretty strong tool set in that regard. It's also a great way to provide compliance, auditability, and data security within the system so that you can rest assured that your data is not at breach and that you're not at risk of a cybersecurity breach. Now, in addition to these functional and technical strengths, there's a number of other strengths that I think are even more fundamental than what I've already described. First and foremost, Palantir can be a great way to deploy an enterprise-wide technology and get some of the benefits that ERP systems traditionally have provided, but at a much lower cost and lower risk. So in other words, we don't have to rip out all of our core back-end systems to get some of the capabilities described here within the Palantir product suite. Instead, you can use Palantir as a way to leverage the technology you already have and ensure that you're making better use of and getting more value out of those systems. This significant benefit can ultimately lead to a higher ROI, lower cost, and potentially higher benefits than other types of enterprise technologies.